Hello guys, you're welcome back to today mathematics class for this upcoming WAEC GCE examination. So if this is the first time watching my video, don't forget to subscribe, like, also turn your button in case you want to benefit like this. It definitely be the first to notify. And also share this video with your friend. So this is our first question to solve for today mathematics task, okay? Mathematics lesson. So I'll be solving this question as the first question. We have more than 5 questions to solve for today mathematics class. So let's dive to it. Find the value of p if y minus 2 is the factor of y squared minus py minus 10. Here we have the options. So how to solve this question? This question is very simple. It's under quadratic expression. Okay, it's under quadratic equation. So whenever they give me a question like this, just remember it's under quadratic equation. So we're talking about how to equate it. So they are trying to find the value of p. So how do you find the value of p from the given expression we have here? The first thing you have to do here, so let's just look at it step by step. Okay, since we have given y, the factor of this expression is equal to y minus 2. That is the factor of it. So let me try to write it out. I have a y minus 2. Okay, and also we have the given expression. We have a y squared minus py, okay, minus 10. Okay, so they said that y minus 2 is a factor of this expression. What you just have to do here is to equate this one to be equal to 0, also make it to be equal to 0 to make it more easy, and that's our best step to solve this question. So if this one to be equal to 0, okay, or this one to be equal to 0, so from this place now we can say our y is equal to convert the value of y from this part now. So if you write it out that y minus 2 is equal to what? 0. To get the value of y here, you have to take this minus 2 to the other side, which gives us as plus 2. When this minus cause this equal to, it will change to plus. So it means that our y now is equal to 2. So get our y is equal to 2. Now let's put our y is equal to 2 into the given expression. Then we get the value of our p from this place now. So anyway, you see y in this expression here, you put as what? As 2. So we have y squared. That means that we have a 2 we have a 2 square, okay, minus we have p, okay, open bracket. I have to open bracket because this p is multiplied by this y, and here have a y as equal to 2, so close brackets, minus 10 is equal to 0. So next thing you have to do here, let's solve this one, and let's multiply, let's open this bracket, and let's solve this one also. 2 is part of 2, that is equal to 4, that is 2 times 2, we have 4. So here we have 4, okay, minus 2 times p, that's given us 2 or 2p, minus 10 is equal to 0. Now the next thing you have to collect the light sign. Here you have minus 10, here we have 4 here. Okay, we can take this one to the upper, can bring this one close together because they have the same. This one is a number, this is a number, this is a number attached to p, so it's different from this one and this one. Okay, I get now. So if you take some come closer to this, we have 4, okay, minus 10, okay, minus 2p equal to 0. So to get the value of our p now, so get the value of this p, so we can say 4 minus 10, that give us minus 6, right? So we have minus what? 6. Okay, with the 4 minus, so we have minus 6 because this 10 is bigger than this 4. That is why it gives us as minus 6. Okay, you have minus what? 2 pure p equal to 0. Now to get the value of your p, let's take this minus 6 to the other side. Yeah, so we have what? Minus what? 2p, okay, equal to, when this minus 6 cause this equal to, we change to plus. That's how we have 6. Now to get the value of our p, we have to divide both sides by the coefficient of p, and the coefficient of p here is minus 2. So we divide this one by minus 2, okay, divide this one by minus 2. So this minus 2 cancels this minus 2 here. So it means what? P at this place to be equal to, so if you have 2 here, 1, okay, 2 divided by 6, that is 3. So it means that we have minus here, that is minus what? 3. So the answer is equal to minus 3. So the value of p is equal to minus 3. So let's check it from the especially we have here. You can see that the option is option A. That is A is equal to minus 3. Option A is minus 3. So it means that p is equal to minus 3. So that is how you solve this question. So let's meet in the next class for another interesting mathematics question to solve under this topic.